The Elikliv EDM402 Pro 2K HDMI Digital Microscope stands as a testament to innovation and precision in the realm of microscopy. Packed with advanced features and upgrades, this digital microscope is a powerful tool for various applications, making it an ideal choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Ultra HD sensor and 2K resolution. The EDM402 Max digital microscope boasts an Ultra HD sensor that enables the creation of incredible 2160p videos and captures vivid 24MP color images. With its groundbreaking 2K resolution, this microscope allows users to observe and appreciate the finest details and subtle movements in a mesmerizing microcosm. Whether you are conducting experiments, participating in meetings, or engaging in any other work, the microscope ensures an unparalleled viewing experience. Bottom transmitted light stage. An exciting addition to the EDM402 is the bottom transmitted light stage. This professional LED light provides cool and dimmable transmitted light from beneath the stage, allowing for the observation of transparent slide specimens. The microscope also comes with 5 prepared slides, offering users the opportunity to explore the microscopic world right away. Upgraded 10.1-inch IPS screen. The digital microscope features an upgraded 10.1-inch IPS screen that delivers vivid and saturated colors. The IPS technology ensures a full 178-degree viewing angle, preventing ghosting, stuttering, or tearing even during prolonged use. This enhancement not only elevates the quality of observation, but also prioritizes the protection of the user's eyes. Longer 10-inch stand. With a longer 10-inch stand column, the EDM402 allows users to easily see the entire coin without the need for additional extension tubes or lifting the monitor. The extended distance between the lens and the base, up to 6.3 inches, ensures that whole coins, from dimes to large silver dollars, can be fully displayed on the screen. HDMI USB output for larger view. The HDMI output enables the microscope to support any TV or monitor with an HDMI port, making it versatile for use in various settings such as labs, factories, classrooms, or homes. Additionally, the microscope can be connected to a PC via a USB cable, providing compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems. Excellent 10x 1200x zoom. The EDM402 allows users to zoom in and observe incredible details at a magnification range from 10x to 1200x. This digital microscope can also capture pictures and record videos, with the convenience of saving the images and videos to the included 64GB micro SD card. Solid metal frame construction. Built with an aluminum alloy base, stand, and bracket, the microscope ensures long-term durability. The robust construction makes it suitable for tasks like micro-soldering or repairing printed circuit boards. Wide application and perfect gift. The versatility of the EDM402 makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, including circuit board testing, watch, clock repair, textile industry, error coin identification, kids education testing, biological observation, excluding cells, research, jewelry, stamps, plants, and QC inspection. It serves as a popular and meaningful gift for children, students, and hobbyists. In conclusion, the Elikliv EDM402 Pro 2K HDMI Digital Microscope is a technological marvel that elevates the standards of microscopy. With its advanced features and thoughtful upgrades, this microscope offers an immersive and detailed view of the micro world, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and an engaging educational instrument for enthusiasts.